behind me. Sharp, make sure we get security in the tunnels, come back and report.
First platoon to command. We hold the atrium second floor, so if second platoon needs assistance, I've got guys that can back them up. But we're just holding up just by building 99 right now, waiting for you guys.
Say again.
We do still have green in the tunnel.
We are in store 99 in the surrounding area, the comm center. We're waiting for the second chip to be delivered to the computer room.
Oh, okay, there you are. Do you see anybody over that way? Okay, another regen is right over there. Watch that back corridor, guys. Get guys in those stores on that back side. Actually, tell you what. Reckon, follow me.
Reckon's moving.
Mitch, you stay with him. Okay. Which way we're going?
Stairwell secure.
This way, this way.
Okay, perfect.
Where are we going?
Hey, you guys got it, man.
Negative.
I don't think you guys.
Three. Watch that.
Got a strobe down this hallway.
Where are we heading, guys? There's a strobe light down this.
Green. I'll stand right across.
Okay.
Oh, the overwhelmed. Who starts the customer?
Oh, that's okay.
Just come over from the back alley, or back of the hallway.
Let him shoot. Let him wait for him. Let him wait for him.
That's why I'm shining the light.
Whole squad is taken out.
Ready? Watch this. This ain't gonna be funny. Hold on, watch this. Ready? Ready? This is gonna be cool. I killed myself. I totally killed myself. Okay, let's go down this little zone. We're gonna secure this back stairwell. For sure. Let's go to that back stairwell. We're gonna try to nail it.
Later.
We gotta secure that.
Reckon's moving, Reckon's moving. Somebody keep an eye on our six. We should keep somebody at that hallway too. Keep a guy in the stairwell. That's you, Tim.
Stay here.
Just, yeah. Go for Reckon. We are holding the communications center / computer room waiting for the second computer virus chip. I'm going to keep contact with our rear. Tim, you still there? Keep holding that stairwell. We're engaging up here. Green, green, green. Are you a medic?
Yeah.
Good. Hang back up here. We got 3 shooters up here, friendlies. We're just harassing them. I was talking to the guys behind us. We got a medic behind us. And Tim is... Yo. Yes, Ripton's still in the stairwell. Yep. I'll relay the word. Green, green. Green?
Green.
We need a second guy in the stairwell with Ripton back there.
Where?
The stairwell you passed, there should be a guy guarding it. Just keep,
There's two guys there.
good.
Yeah.
DT, we got 2 people on the stairwell. DT, we got 2 friendlies on the stairwell. One, two, this is Reckon. We are spread out on the upper level on the Federation side of the mall, on the theater side, guarding the communications and server room. All of the back hallways on the Federation side, top floor, should be in green hands. Ripton, are you on comms? You get any activity there, you report it in a hurry. Green, what's up?
4 guys just went down those stairs of ours.
Friendlies? Okay.
Right.
Keep an eye on the top, see if you can't maintain communications with them.
Simple.
We got a medic and 3 shooters, 3 friendlies up here.
He's holding right now.
Yes. We're waiting for that second shift to get to the server room.
Break off, just send it. I got
Cool.
it in comms.
Yep. You're securing our exit. Guys, coming up on the left. Yep. Across the railings, that flashlight. There's another one in that side hallway. Left side in that wall. There's another one. Oh, did I get him? Awesome. Another guy moving up right, 2 moving right. What's up? You saying something?
I'm just trying to talk to my squad.
What squad are you?
Cut off from 3-2, but
We're 1-2 and 1-1.
there's no way for them to get up here right now, so I'll just stick with you guys.
Does the enemy have the atrium?
Yeah, they're trying to push their way up here.
Okay.
They'll connect with us if they can, but I don't know if they will.
Downtown. Downtown, we gotta play it safe. We're cut off from reinforcements. Ripton's still guarding the stairwell.
There might be way on the bottom floor, looks like.
We just sent some friendlies down there.
As I said, they were at the department store at the atrium, and they can't get through here on the top, but people might be able to come through on the bottom, so.
Well, we should have a good chunk of this top. The problem is if they've cut off the atrium.
Yeah.
If you got comms to any of them, tell them get a mass of people and they gotta push. They gotta get that card through. That's a big objective, to get that virus wiped. Are those 2 guys on the far left dead?
Yeah, they're still in their spawn. That's fine. I'm not going to shoot those guys that are in their spawn. Yeah. I'm worried about these guys in the store from behind here. Yep. I'm worried about these guys to the right. As long as we can keep these guys covered, I'm okay. People are moving up. Yeah. Damn it. Did anyone catch that?
Yes.
PTSD from that thunder. Is that, I hear the turkey call? Yep.
Yep. Downtown, you heard me earlier, right? We're cut off from the atrium. I'm going to check our rear. Ripton, we good? We still got all our shooters up out here. We can cause a lot of freaking damage with a few shooters here and a medic. Ripton, this is Reckon. Ripton, you got any contact with the guys that went down? Okay. Copy that. One, two, this is Reckon. Where's everybody? Check in. This is Reckon. Does anybody have eyes on the atrium? What's happening there? On the first floor? Ripton, we got hostiles moving low. Just be advised. Well, it's not like they weren't standing on top of our AA guns in the first scenario. Go for Reckon. Get me a sit rep on the atrium. If you can, try to get across on the check-in side of the second floor. Good. Reinforce that area. Room or storefront 99 is what we have to keep secure until the second ship shows up. So secure that and the area around it. Copy that. The top corridors should be clear from room 99 all the way to the end of the enemy respawn. I'm with downtown and about 4 other shooters at the end of the second floor by the enemy respawn. Just move to support the atrium and the communications side of the second floor. Good copy. Downtown. DT. Just got a report that we've lost JCPenney's, but we should have most, if not all, of the atrium.
Wrong way. I'm lost. That way. Which way is it? That way. That way. Thank you. You're very welcome, sir. Sounds like the second car has been loaded. I say again, second car has
Downtown. DT, you want me to go confirm? DT, do you want me to go confirm that card?
Okay, but I agree. We've got combat and effective. First platoon, command. You want to spot with me? I think you got me in the range. Yep. I'm not kidding you guys in the hallway like I want to. First platoon, command.
You got empty mags, DT?
No, I'm fine right now.
Okay.
Thank you. First platoon at 2, go ahead. I'll try to relay. Take a picture. If somebody's got a camera phone, take a picture of it. And we'll try to get a rep over there. Batman!
Ripton should have a camera if we need one.
Stand by, I'm getting you an OC too. Hey, how long do we have to hold that server room until the cards have been loaded? It's up, it's up. Okay, do you want to just walk over there and take a look at it? Yeah, where's it at? Go
99.
this way and back around down the hallways and they'll direct you in. I think it's space 90...
99.
99.
Drew keeps changing shit.
Okay.
I can take you if you want. Ripton, green, coming back. All our shooters are still up. We got an OC coming to check 99.
Roger.
Green, green. We got an OC coming to check the server room.
What's that?
We got an OC coming to check the server room.
Go ahead.
Green, green, green. Green, green, green. Green coming up. Green, green, green.
Cowboys got it, Frank.
OC coming through to the server room.
Make room for the OC.
Make a hole, make a hole. Awesome. Kurt, you got this corner? Kurt, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. This is
Got it on for the end.
awesome. Maintain our lines of communications down this corridor. Ripton should be guarding the stairwell, and we still have shooters in the far end, basically pinning them in their respawn.
What's down here? Are we doing anything down here or just defending this one?
Just defending.
Okay.
But this whole stretch should be friendly, and we've got shooters at the end.
You do, okay.
I just want people spaced out in the corridor so we maintain our lines of communication. Green, green, green. Oh yeah, there's a medic. How are they doing down there?
There's 2 of them in there. They seem to be doing fine.
Roger that. Ripton, you still here?
10-4, -6.
Copy that. Downtown. What's up? Downtown.
You still back there?
Yeah, Reckon's here.
We still got cover behind us?
Yep.
Go verify that we have rear security still.
I just came through there. We got rear security all the way down.
Perfect.
And Batman's in the server room.
Thank you. I got that part.
Go back and find our medic. Make sure, bring the medic up, bring the medic up.
All right.
Who do we got down there? You think you can get our wounded guy back?
Where is he?
Right up there.
Alright, I'll go run up.
Yep, just watch the fire from the right. Go. Cover right, cover right. Medic's coming up, or retrieving for medic. Get him out of there. Kurt went back.
No, I'm not.
Kurt went back to get the medic
Okay.
because he was wandering away from here. I passed him when I was coming back up. Go for Reckon. Anybody on this frequency in the server room or the back tunnels, we need the medic at the end by the enemy respawn, upper second floor. Play it safe, we got the medic coming back.
I think we made him mad.
I think so. Oh, where's that medic? Green?
Yep.
Ripton! We need the medic back down here.
I yelled for him.
Okay, make sure it gets relayed. Say again? Say again? No, I don't. Just, if necessary, go to the server room and get the medic down here. Yes, down here to this room where I am. Downtown's been hit. Medic? Yeah, there you go. They're running right. Change of mags.
We got 3 or 4.
Another one running right. You're in the line of fire. Say again?
I got 2 friendly squads down that staircase.
Awesome. Then just kind of float. Take some shooting time if you want it, but make sure, just check
What are
on
the objectives if people are floating? Where should I send them? Atrium?
I don't know at this point. We should have this like whole chunk.
We got fire from that guy and...
Yes, their respawn's just down there.
Okay. Well, we got him pinched then.
Pretty much. Roger,
Where do
roger.
they need him now?
Say again?
Where do they need him? Where should I send people if they don't know where to go?
I don't know yet. Let me check DT. DT! What's our instructions? What do you want us to do for people coming back for respawn? They're moving up! again. Green, green, green. Make sure.
What do you guys have here?
We're just holding. We're basically pinning them in their respawn. Make,
Okay.
okay, make sure that back corridor stays secure. You should have passed a bunch of guards.
Okay, we did.
If not, we need to post some. Get some trigger time if you want
We've
to,
got
Kurt.
more guys coming this way too.
Awesome. Legacy?
Yeah,
Oh, cool, cool.
we got more guys behind us as well.
We still got a medic back here?
We do not have.
The medic went all the way back to 99.
Roger that. Get some trigger time if you want to, Kurt.
I'll try to get one in here.
Yeah, we could probably better have the medic station down here, unless they're taking a lot of fire at the server room.
We've cleared that. We're done with that.
Oh, they got both cards?
Yeah, we cleared it.
Awesome.
We're now looking for guys wearing woodland tops and blue jeans. We're supposed to be rescuing them.
Rescuing them?
Yeah.
Woodland tops and blue jeans?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure downtown knows that. He's the guy, the Ford, kneeling behind the Ford pillar.
It's got shoulder pads in it.
Anyone in that hallway is fair game, boys. Don't let them out.
DT, did you hear? Apparently we're looking for people with woodland tops and blue jeans.
Okay. Well, I didn't hear that yet, but I will.
That's what just came up from the squad that joined us.
Well, we've been holding them off with 3 guys here for a while. Yeah.
Oh, come on. With the medic that didn't shoot, we had 4.
Okay, we had 4. Where are we going now? Oh, stay put. We're causing them paddling.
We are.
Get ready, guys. We're ready out of spawn. I see a lot of guys go back there. There we go. Moving right to the left and right.
Got guys in the wall on the left, too.
See anyone move, you guys just let rounds down range, okay? I got 3 minutes to load it. Let me know if I got pop up.
No, you're still clear.
You guys got that guy with the 3 lasers? Heads up!
Like a lot of movement, a lot of movement. Change your mags.
Hey, put your camera rag on, you won't get shot. Move away. You have a bunch of people there, you think I'm gonna stop shooting?
More on the left. Another one on the left. Got the guy on the left. Oh, and he just walks off and I don't see tape. Where's your bleed out, dude? They're coming. Another one running left. Running left. He gets some points for that one. I got reflections further in the left. We got more coming up on the left.
This guy is on the storefront.
2 plus on the left. Change your mags.
I'm gonna DID quick.
Do what? Oh, good. What's DID?
Defensive depth.
Oh, good. I like that.
Wanted you to stop shooting? Hey, you know what? If they're using their guy as a body bunker, no, you know, they were being used behind the wall. There's more coming.
Yeah, Ripton's checking it now.
Get ready, guys. We got a lot of people coming back.
A lot of them on the left. A lot of them on the left. Good copy. Ripton, we need a medic up here. No. I'm going to get a medic. No. I'm going to get a medic. Ripton! Need a medic. Medic's coming. All right, start bringing the wounded back. We got a medic. Drag the wounded back.
Medic! Who else is wounded in there? Thank you, bitches. Stay in here with us. Yep.
Stay behind the wall, medic.
Yep.
That was exciting.
Justin, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Who's that?
Dan, Badger.
Oh, are you medicing these guys?
I'm medic.
Okay.
We got a medic back here now. What's the medic?
Right behind you, 100 seconds.
What's the situation like back?
We own this whole hall.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Who's hit? Who's hit? Medic. Where? Right here.
Man, now I wish I had a frag.
Just pause it right across there.
Oh, did he just totally like flinch? And...
Yeah, he did.
Hit! Medic!
Where's medic?
Over here. Medic!
He's fucking crazy.
Crazy awesome.
Yeah.
Crouch a little if you can, Hunter. I got over your head. Now you guys know how J.C. Penney's felt like. Change your mags. Change your mags. Medic's back here somewhere.
Yeah, medic's straight back here. found any whatever it is. They're working their way to the back
Watch that first door come, guys. You got someone with a light there.
How's everybody doing on ammo? I only got 4 mags.
Remember, guys, don't fire their phone unless you get shot at from there, all right? I don't want you to see to have any reason to kick us out of this room.
Hooah! All right, I'm gonna reload some mags. There's a guy in the far left, that back corridor left. Ripton, you here? How's our rear looking?
Our rear looks good. We just got 2 guys running down the hall to make sure.
Awesome.
You got a good angle on this door though?
You should be pretty safe here. That far left, that white alcove against the cement, there's guys in there. Pull him back to the medic. Get him back here.
He made it pretty damn close.
Ooh, I think I got one.
Trevor, you can pull him back. The dead guy.
Get the wounded guy back.
Oh, he's
Well, then
dead,
he can
dead.
walk off.
Trevor, don't waste it.
Let him cross, let him cross. Hit, hit.
Drag it back.
And I'm dead.
Good kill.
Dead man coming through. Oh, that one is done. Apparently. Oh, there we go. Dead man. Dead man walking. 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 Get back in there, you stupid thing. Dead man walking. 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 Yep. Dead man walking. 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 Dead man coming up. Hey, K9. Dead man crossing. Come on in. Good evening, dog. How's it going?
Don't shoot the camera guys, okay?
Roger that.
Hey guys, no more person.